Are you tired of your Matplotlib window stealing focus every time you update your plot? It can be really distracting, especially when you're trying to analyze data. If this sounds familiar, stick around because today we are going to solve this issue together. I completely understand your frustration. It's annoying when your application behaves differently on different machines. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced similar issues when upgrading their software or operating systems. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user reached out asking, how can I keep my Matplotlib window in the background while updating my plot with new data? They noticed that on their new setup, the window pops to the front every time it updates. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to fix this. So, what's happening here? This behavior can be caused by how the operating system handles window focus during updates. When new data is plotted, the window may be set to gain focus, which is not ideal for your workflow. Let's break down how to manage this. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a simple code adjustment that can help you maintain your workflow without interruptions. Trust me, you'll want to see this. To address the issue of the Matplotlib window popping to the front, the user can modify the behavior of the figure window. First, they should ensure that the interactive mode is enabled in Matplotlib. Next, the user should implement a method to update the plot without bringing the window to the foreground. This can be achieved by using the setWindowTitle method to keep the window in the background. Now, the user can modify their plotting routine to include these changes. They should ensure that the plot updates occur without interrupting the window's focus. Finally, the user should test the updated code to confirm that the Matplotlib window remains in the background while the plot updates with new data. Fun fact: did you know that Matplotlib was originally developed for creating static plots? It's amazing how far it has come, allowing for dynamic and interactive visualizations. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user suggests that when using the tkinter backend, you need to call fig.canvas.drawIdle before fig.canvas.flushEvents. This ensures that the plot updates correctly without bringing the window to the foreground. The same method applies if you're using the Q5ag backend. Here's a quick recap. Avoid using plt.show in your update loop, and consider adjusting your backend settings. These small changes can make a big difference in your workflow. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your Matplotlib window should stay in the background while you work. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep experimenting with your plots, and happy coding.